Hello, Zachary. I am Zain Magdadatu, your nurse educator. May I confirm your name and age, please?
My name is Zachary Mark B. Magadatu and I'm 10 years old.
Okay, Zachary. Today we're going to talk about something that affects you every day, which is screen time. I know you like using your iPod or watching videos, and that is totally okay. But too much screen time can make your eyes, head, and body feel tired. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to take care of yourself while still enjoying your gadgets. Let's begin. What is screen time? Screen time is the total amount of time we spend using digital screens like phones, tablets, computers, TVs, or gaming consoles. You use screen time when you watch cartoons, play games, do online school, or even just scroll on a phone. A little screen time is okay, especially for learning or relaxing, but when it comes to too much, it can cause health problems, especially with your eyes and your sleep. Digital eye strain is the effect of prolonged screen time use. This happens when you look at a screen for too long without resting your eyes, and it can make your eyes feel dry, itchy, sore, or blurry. You might even get headaches. This happens because we blink less when we look at screens, and our eyes work harder to focus. Just like your legs when you get tired of running, your eyes also get tired when they don't rest. When they don't rest. This is the average screen time between age group 0 to 10 years old. As you can see, your the appropriate screen time for your age is about 6 hours. Let's test your knowledge. What do you think screen time means in your own words?
Screen time means the time I use gadgets like tablets or phones.
Why do you think too much screen time might be bad for your eyes?
Because it makes the eyes tired, dry, or blurry from looking too long without breaks.
That's right, Zachary. Now let's see how screen affects sleep. Screens give off something called blue light, which tells your brain to stay awake even when it's time to sleep. It is time to sleep. So if you use your gadget at night, your brain stays active instead of getting ready to rest. This makes it harder to fall asleep. You may wake up often at night or feel grumpy and tired the next day. Using gadgets before bed can even give you nightmares or make your brain feel restlessness. So let's test your knowledge. Why can using a gadget at night make it harder to fall asleep?
Because the blue light keeps the brain awake and stops me feeling sleepy.
That's right. Now, I'll be discussing the posture and body effects of prolonged screen time. Good posture means your back is straight, your neck is relaxed, and you're not too close to the screen. Bad posture means slouchy, bending your neck, or lying down while using gadgets. Bad posture doesn't just make your back and neck hurt. It also make it harder for your eyes to focus. When you sit properly, your body feels better and you won't get sore as easily. This is the image that demonstrates correct versus incorrect posture when using gadgets. Now, can you show me the correct way to sit while using gadgets?
Silent demonstrate upright sitting posture with back straight and gadget at eye level.
Can you show in the screen on how to sit correctly? Okay, that's good. So why do screens cause headaches and tired eyes? Using gadgets too long without a break can also give you headaches or make you feel dizzy. This can happen if your screen is too bright, too close to your eyes, or if you don't take eye breaks. Your brain gets tired from watching moving pictures, and your eyes blink less, so they dry out and strain. That's why you might feel sleepy, your head may hurt, or your eyes may feel hot or heavy. Let's test. How can too much screen time make your head or eyes feel?
It can give me headaches and make my eyes tired and blurry.
What is your body telling you? Your body gives signals to tell you when it is time to take a break. These are like little messages like saying that uh, your body is tired. Some warning signs are rubbing your eyes, yawning a lot, or feeling sleepy, your head feeling heavy, eyes feel dry or itchy, and feeling tired for no reason. When you feel these things, it means it is time to stop and rest your eyes, stretch, or move around. How do you know when your body wants a break from the screen? And give an example.
When I start rubbing my eyes or feeling sleepy, I know it's time to stop.
Now let's learn some healthy screen habits that will protect your eyes and body. First, we have the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Number 2, use screen only for 1 to 2 hours a day. Try not to use gadgets too long, especially after school. Number 3, take breaks. Stand up, stretch, blink, and walk around. 4, no screens before bed. Stop using them at least 30 minutes before sleeping. And last, family rules help. Ask your parents or guardians to remind you um, of your goal or plan. These small steps help you stay healthy and enjoy screen safely. Let's test your knowledge. We have here a sorting game. Which habits are healthy or unhealthy? I want you to say um, healthy or unhealthy once I read the questions or the phrases. Number 1, skip meals to play games. Is it healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Hold phone too close to eyes.
Unhealthy.
Ask parents for help with screen time.
Healthy.
Skip meals to play games.
Unhealthy.
Take a break every 20 minutes.
Healthy.
Rest your eyes often.
Healthy.
That's correct. Now, um, now that you've learned about screen time, breaks, posture, and sleep, it's your turn to make your own screen time plan. So this plan helps you decide when you can use your gadgets, how long you'll use them, when to take breaks, and what other fun or resting things you can do without screens. Here's the look of the table. For the The first column, time, ask yourself what time do you prefer. You can write a range, for example, 4 to 5 p.m. Next, next column, what will I do? Ask yourself, what will you do after that time? You can write what activity, for example, tablet time after homework, reading, play outside, or rest my eyes. You can include both screen and non-screen activities and add fun and rest activities. Next column is the reminders. What will help you remember your habits? So, ask or write rules like 20-minute break, use a timer, take no gadgets at dinner, no gadgets after dinner. This part helps you stick to your plan. Do you have a paper and a pen? Give me can you fill this table and show me after. Are you done?
Yes.
Can you show me the paper? Great job. Your screen time plan looks smart and balanced. So it shows that you're already ready to take care of your eyes and your body. You can follow this every day and ask your parents to help remind you that you need to follow um, this plan. I want to share a quote by Jana Kingsford. Balance is not something you find, it is something you create. This means that you are in charge of keeping your screen time balanced with rest, play, learning, and family time. You don't have to stop gadgets, but just use them in a smart way. Now let's hear what God says. So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God. This verse reminds us that even how we use screens, we should we should take care of our body that God gave us. When we rest, play, and sleep well, we are also honoring the God with our choices. Now that you already know what screen time is, how to take care of your eyes and body, keep using your screen plan and remember your healthy habits. Do you have any questions?
No.
Alright, thank you, Sakari.